Samsung Galaxy Note 8 smartphone was launched in August 2017. The phone comes with a 6.30-inch touchscreen display with a resolution of 1440 pixels by 2960 pixels. Samsung Galaxy Note 8 price in India starts from Rs. 67,900. The Samsung Galaxy Note 8 is powered by 1.7 GHz octa-core Samsung Exynos 9 Octa 8895 processor, and it comes with 6 GB of RAM. The phone packs 64 GB of internal storage that can be expanded up to 256 GB via microSD card. As far as the cameras are concerned, the Samsung Galaxy Note 8 packs a 12-megapixel primary camera on the rear and 8-megapixel front shooter for selfies. The Samsung Galaxy Note 8 runs Android 7.1.1 and is powered by a 3300 mAh non-removable battery. It measures 162.50 by 74.80 by 8.60, height x width x thickness, and weigh 195.00 grams. The Samsung Galaxy Note 8 is a dual SIM, GSM and GSM, smartphone that accepts nano SIM and nano SIM. Connectivity options include Wi-Fi, GPS, Bluetooth, NFC, USB OTG, headphones, 3G and 4G, with support for Band 40 used by some LTE networks in India. Sensors on the phone include compass magnetometer, proximity sensor, accelerometer, ambient light sensor, gyroscope and barometer.